because we don't.
Hey beauties, you know when you spend so much time on your makeup and it ends up looking flaky, the makeup separates very easily and there is a ton of texture on your skin, on your nose, in the corners of your nose, around your mouth, and essentially like all over your skin. And you keep wondering, what exactly is it that I'm doing wrong in my makeup routine that's causing all of these problems to keep happening? Well, I'm here to tell you it's not your makeup. It's not the products. It's not where the makeup products is from. It's not product interaction with anything on your skin. It all has to do with your skincare routine. So this is going to be a post-makeup skincare routine to get you looking flawless, and a pre-makeup skin prep video all wrapped in one with a bow on top of it. So your skin underneath your makeup will be looking and feeling great. That way you can get a gorgeous makeup routine. Let's jump into it. Why am I bopping back and forth? Because I'm not sitting down and being so rigid. I'm moving so much. I don't know what to do with myself. Anyway.
Now, here's the thing. I generally don't wash my face over the sink. H-A-T-E. I would rather be in the shower when I do this kind of routine because it definitely helps me get into all the cracks and crevices and everything that I need to get into to make sure that my skin is cleansed very, very well. So whatever it is I'm showing you right now, take it to the shower. Today we're going to be using the e.l.f. Makeup Cleansing Balm. This is how much I have left in mine. This is like my third or fourth thing of this. I do have a travel size that I travel with. When it comes to cleansing the makeup, you definitely have to double cleanse because the balm, micellar water, cleansing balm or cleansing oil will break down all the makeup on the skin, and it's going to just take it right off and just unclog your pores, all of that good stuff. Don't attach the lashes to our natural lashes. We only attach the false lashes to the skin directly above our natural lashes. So you can just peel it off, okay? Let's go in with our cleansing balm. You don't need a lot of the cleansing balm. Just a little bit goes a long way. What you're gonna do is apply the cleansing balm to your hands and warm it up like this, just like this, right? It should look like this. And then we're just gonna apply it on. We're just gonna rub it in. So after you rub it in for a little bit, you're gonna add some water to your hand. Of course, rub it around and just go right back into the cleansing balm on your skin. Activate the product so that it starts just melting everything again. This is water soluble. Of course, after a few seconds of using the water, it goes right back to looking like an oil until you rinse it off. Because we're standing out of the shower, I'm gonna use my makeup cleansing round to wipe this product off my skin before I go in to actually rinse it out in the sink. This is the base with the e.l.f. cleansing balm. The thing I love about this product is it doesn't burn my eyes at all, not one bit. I love that for us. Let's go ahead and rinse the base so we can actually get all the gunk off the skin. We don't. For the past however long it's taken me to finish 4 of these CeraVe cleansers, I have been using CeraVe to cleanse my skin. So we're gonna go in with CeraVe. This is the hydrating cream to foam cleanser. I was gonna use my cleansing round, which is what I typically would use to cleanse my skin, because it offers a form of manual exfoliator. Today though, I am going to be trying out this tiny cleansing pad that I bought from Sephora. The secret that a lot of people don't actually say because they don't want you to know, the secret is using some kind of a manual exfoliator in your skincare routine. It's not hard at all. It's very, very soft. I like what it feels like, and it's definitely helping me exfoliate my skin. You can see like it's kind of brown, kind of dirty, kind of beige on the skin, and we're just gonna... This part of the cleansing process is what will help you remove all the dead skin cells that stick to your skin. That also end up getting dry when you put makeup on. That's what causes the peeling, the flaking, gives you the horrible texture on the skin, And it also just builds up around the corners of your nose and it just looks very bad. If you have whiteheads, blackheads, if I don't wash my face or cleanse my face with an exfoliator for like a week, I start noticing a lot of that white looking tiny little bumps on my nose. It's sebum stuck in your pores that's just coming through. It looks very bad. During my acne days, what I used to do, after I would manually exfoliate my skin, I went in with the St. Ives exfoliator, and I generally would only use the one that had the 2% salicylic acid in it. I don't like scrub my skin. I literally just put it on and do this with it. What I actually needed from this product was the salicylic acid. So I would just put it on my skin and gently rub it in, just like a face mask, right? But in cream form. This is how I would leave it. I would put it on my skin just like this. So while I wash my skin, if you have any skin conditions, definitely consult your dermatologist or your doctor before leaving the products on your skin, because I don't want it to irritate you more than it has to, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off so we can move on to the next step. Please don't use the towel that you use to wipe your body and your butt on your face, okay? Just clean your cleansing round. Make sure there's no soap in it. Make sure it's completely clean. And you can use that to pat on your skin to dry it. You don't need to dry out your skin completely before you go into the next step. Okay? So I'm gonna apply the La Roche-Posay B5 Glycolic Serum. It's a dark spot corrector. It also brightens and exfoliates your skin. It is a photosensitive product, so if you're gonna use it, definitely store it in a cool, dark place. I like to apply it directly to my skin. And if you've been very gentle with your cleansing, you shouldn't feel any burning or tingling sensation. If you've been very rough with it and you start feeling a burning, tingling sensation, definitely rinse it off, because that means you hurt your skin. La Roche-Posay also has vitamin C during the day. And then I'm gonna go in with some hyaluronic acid serum. This is just gonna add and attract moisture into my skin. My skin has been feeling dry lately because for a few months now I had been treating my dark spots. We're not doing too much tonight because we're going to bed, and because you're new to this, we don't want to just overload your skin with actives, because you need to go one step at a time so you don't get a negative reaction to any of the products that we're using, okay? Next, I'm going in with the La Roche-Posay Triple Repair Moisturizing Cream, because honey, I need all the moisture I could get. Using this much and applying it to the base. Of course, during the day, you can also use this product. It's very thick, over the counter. Now, of course, during the day, you can use the e.l.f. Cosmetics Face Cream. This has a broad spectrum SPF 30 hyaluronic acid with peptides, which means it's going to help hydrate your skin, plump it up, and also protect you from sun damage. Now, at this point, you can see how hydrated and moisturized and exfoliated my skin is. Now, doing the skincare routine is going to make sure that you don't get any product buildup in your pores. It's going to make sure your skin is cleared very well throughout the day, okay? Now, I will leave you with one more thing. Okay, this is something I've been using because I've had sudden breakouts on my skin. Right now, I'm dealing with two, one here and one here. This is the Cetaphil Gentle Clear Triple Action Acne Serum. It has salicylic acid in it with PHA, BHA, prebiotic, and succinic acid. You don't need to put it all over your skin. You can just put it on the active breakout. Mine is right here, so I'm gonna put it over there just to help it clear much faster. Now we're done. We can go to bed and wake up with beautiful, gorgeous, glowing skin. The basics is what you need, and then you can start building your skincare from there. But let me know down below in the comments if you're going to try this out, or if you already saw a few of my other videos and you tried them out. Let me know how it's working for you. If you're somebody who uses a manual exfoliator in your skincare routine, let me know how it's working for you down below in the comments. If you like the info you saw in this video, definitely don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know that you got to this point. If you need to see any more videos on skincare and makeup, check out these two playlists right here. If you're new to my channel and not yet subscribed, please remember to subscribe right there. Bye.